Sorry, I did not have my microphone on. Guys, this is very random, but should I change my keyboard sound? Because I don't know if it's annoying or satisfying, because it's this. But then if I do it lots, it gets quite annoying. So, do you think I should change it? Let me know. Oh gosh, that is annoying if I do like that. Okay. No, it's a very cute keyboard. I can't stop making these pictures. Editing keyboard even has pictures of making pictures and myself. Can't stop it is. I found my new addiction. Anyways, guys, bye. What? Okay, bye. iPad, don't turn off. I'm still recording. Bye.